Hey guys, what's going on? Cruiserl here. So in today's video, I want to tell you guys that there's not going to be a tutorial this week. I don't have any tutorial material ready. But I have been working on this thing that you're seeing on screen right now. It's basically a Voxel engine or a Minecraft engine. And I know you might be thinking, oh my god, not another one of these? There's already tons of tutorials about making Minecraft in Unity out there. But I discovered that making a voxel engine is actually pretty interesting from a programming perspective. We have to deal with dynamic mesh generation, perlin noise, and of course, multithreading. So this is originally based on a tutorial that I read, that I'm going to link below, and then I heavily modified it to have much cleaner code and less confusing code, and to include multithreading as well. And then, well, I realized it wasn't working as well as I wanted it to, so I dropped it for a few months. And now I came back to it, and I've started completely rewriting it from scratch. The code is even cleaner and much more organized now, and it allows for much easier multithreading, and that results in much better performance. And then, the coolest part about all of this is that I intend to port this over to Unity's new entity component system. If you haven't heard about it, I highly recommend that you research it. I will link a few videos down below in the description that talk about it and give you some pointers as to how it's going to work. It's still in preview mode, but we can access it as long as we're using Unity 2018.2 onwards by opening up the Package Manager window. You can find that under Window and then Package Manager in the Unity editor. So the plan is, in the next video, I'll let you guys look a little bit more in depth into this system. I probably won't be making a fully fledged tutorial out of this, because the system is way too extensive, and there's already plenty of tutorials out there. Like I said, I will link the one that I used. I might even do a write-up myself on it, so that you guys can get a bit more informed about it if you want to. And then the objective is that after we understand the basic structure and functioning of the system, that we start trying to transition this into the entity component system, which is something I'm not even sure if it's going to be entirely possible to maintain the same functionality, but transitioning into the structure of the entity component system. But at least we're going to try, because it's a technology that I've been keeping an eye on for a very long time, and I'm really interested in learning it and using it. And then there's also the job system, which is a system that allows you to write highly performant multi-threaded code very easily. It's also in preview, you can access it through the package manager as well, and although these are two different systems, the entity component and the job system, they have really been made to work very well together. And since this Voxel engine implementation makes quite a big use of threads for smoothness to allow you to generate the world while you're still playing without hiccups in FPS, the job system is going to be very important for us. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.